Welcome back to RGSecurityTeam. Are you tired of seeing tunnel link not starting or link not found errors in Termux? Many of you commented on my CamPhish video that the direct tunnel links aren't working anymore. Well, the wait is over. Today I'm bringing you a powerful alternative called Evil Eye. It's faster and has way more features than CamPhish. Most importantly, I'll show you the manual Cloudflare settings to fix those link issues forever. Let's dive in. As you can see, I have reinstalled Termux. Now first, we need to update and upgrade it. Type these commands one by one. To save you time, I'm showing you the necessary commands. Please don't skip any of them. If you miss any commands, the tunnel may not work. As you can see, the package has been fully updated here. Now first we need to install Git, because we will need to clone the tools using Git. Once Git is installed, go to this repository, copy the clone command from there, and paste it into Termux. Now, let's go to this repository folder, and this evil.sh is its main script file. Run it. It will automatically download the missing packages. It may take a little while to download. I'm pausing the video here. Now, as you can see, this tool has automatically downloaded all the required packages and redirected you to the Tools menu. Now pay close attention to what I'm saying. Now exit the tool, because first we need to install the Cloudflare tunnel certificate. To do this, go back to this repository. Then copy these commands and paste them into Termux. If you don't do this, our Cloudflare tunnel will not start and will display an error. As you can see, the certificate has been updated here. Now we can use the tool properly. Now I am running the tool again. And of course, make sure to turn on your mobile hotspot first, because if you don't turn on the hotspot on your Android device, the tunnel won't start. Now I'm going to run a template. I selected a template and chose Cloudflare for the tunnel. Now in a few moments it will give us a direct link. Now, as you can see here, it has provided a direct link without any errors. Now you will send this to your victim. As an example, I am opening it in my browser, and I'm showing it to you. I'll also show you how to copy the captured images from Termux to the SD card. Now I want to tell you something important. Please do not use this tool for any bad purpose. Now I have opened this link in my browser. Now a pop-up window appears in front of us asking for permission to access the camera. In most cases, many victims click the Allow button without realizing what they are doing. As soon as the Allow button is clicked, a photo of the victim is captured from here and sent to the attacker. You should be cautious in this regard. Do not open any links sent by an unknown person. I'm going to stop it now. The captured images are located in the Captured Images folder. As you can see, it has captured quite a few images in the meantime. You won't be able to view them directly in Termux. To do this, you first need to copy or move them to the SD card. For this, first you need to give storage permission to Termux. Run this command to give permission. Now I want to move these images to my downloads folder. To do this, I now need to go to this captured images folder. And when I run this command, all the image files from this folder will be moved to the downloads folder. Here's a brief breakdown of the command for you. MV means move, and star means all files, followed by the path to the folder where you want to move them. Here, I have provided the path to the downloads folder. So that's how you install Evil Eye and fix the Cloudflare tunnel issues in Termux. If this video helped you solve your link problem, hit that like button and subscribe for more advanced Termux tutorials. If you face any issues, drop a comment below. I read them all. See you in the next one.